are gonna start building with subwoofer, of course.
Here we
Just
go.
walk through. So guys, today I'm going to be filming a part 1 of my room makeover series, and tonight my friend's coming over. We're gonna have a huge sleepover and we're gonna build some furniture. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Question of the day is, do you guys own a Alex 9 drawer? So I thought I'd just quickly show you guys what I got, just so you guys are on the same page as me. So right now I'm on the Ikea website, and I got the most basic white girl piece of furniture you could ever imagine. I got the Alex 9 drawer thing. So I will see you guys later. I have to go on with my day. But yeah, catch you guys later, and we'll start building furniture with Soph. So Soph is now with us, and we are very close to home, and then we're gonna go. We're gonna build furniture. I really need to pee, but it's so funny. Some techniques by Sophia opening the box. How do you feel, Soph?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
My bat is slowly getting smaller.
That's what he said. We're starting.
Yes, we are.
We are building the drawers. We have not finished the actual. Oh my God. Welcome to bracelets. We haven't finished the actual, like, maybe I should hammer while speaking. Hold on. So we haven't finished the actual, like, chest thing yet, but the drawers infatuated us, so we wanted to try. But so far we got 2 done. But we have to, there's 9 because it's called the Alex 9 drawer. Pretty genius, right? I might have to put subtitles in because you probably can't hear me, but that's all good. Is the last piece of our last drawer, and I'm so excited to finally be done with this. Yes! Oh my God, and now we're gonna sign the bottom of it saying like R and Sophia 2019. Now let's see if it went through.
It's wood!
Yay! Okay, so now we actually have the actual, how do I explain this, like chest part.
Okay, wait, you have to film. Oh, are you filming it?
Yeah. Now we are gonna put in the drawers. Hold on, I'll quickly show you guys like what it actually looks like without the drawers. You know, pretty sick, pretty neat. I wish I could hold it at this angle, but I can't. So that sort of sucks. Here. Cute. Okay, now let's see, is that better? Oh yeah, that is. Yeah, we'll do that.
This is the bottom one, because this is the
Oh yeah, so we signed it, yes, you guys remember? Oh no, remember, I think it said to pull these out,
Oh yeah.
right?
Yeah. And you like put it on the hinges.
Right, did I do that correctly? And then let me see. Oh yay! Okay.
Yay!
First drawer done. Okay. Now?
Is that a big one?
Yeah.
I got this.
This is like so much fun.
Really satisfying.
Yeah. At first I was like, oh my god, how the hell is this gonna end up?
There.
Yep.
It just opens it and closes it a bunch of times.
I don't like how it literally only opens. I guess if you like forcefully put it in. Shit. There. Okay. Yeah. Does that look built properly? I'd say that's pretty close.
Oh, whoops.
I'm just gonna quickly time lapse the rest. So. Yo guys, so I just thought I'd show you a little, what's it called, montage of how beautiful this object looks that Soph and I created. Hope you guys enjoy. So like the weird parts, if you're wondering, is like it weirdly gets a little bit wider, but whatever, and then it's not fully like, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's like some of them like jet out a bit, like that one, but that's all good. That's what happens when you have two teenage girls building, so yeah. Yo guys, so it's about 2 months later and I'm editing this and I noticed that I literally forgot to film an outro, so I just wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed the video and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, pretty neat. Hope you guys have a great week though, and peace.